Hi friends, let me ask you a question. Sales is an art or a science? Hello, my name is Himanshu Mittal and I'm a sales coach. So today we will discuss this particular topic and we will go one by one. So let's take science first. So is sales a science? Let's see. In science, if we see, science has some particular procedures, some certain rules that one can follow, right? In sales, do we have some procedures? Yes, we have. Can we jump from one procedure to another? No. Let's take an example. We have procedure likewise that we go to prospecting, then we go to contacting, then presenting, then closing, right? So I'm just putting all the structure into 4 steps. Can we go to closing first before prospecting? No. Can we do some sort of prospecting and directly go to closing? No. So yes, there are certain rules. Can we do some checklist while following the sales procedure? Yes, we can. Can we repeat the process? Is the process repeatable? Yes. So sales is a science. Can we say yes? Yes. Let's take example. When a surgeon is doing a surgery, so do he check the checklist? Do he follow the similar procedures? Do he get the similar results? Yes. So it is likewise the science, likewise the sales. Now comes to art. Let's see. Tell me one thing. Are the two salespersons same? No. Are the two buyers same? No. If we follow these certain procedures, do we get these similar results or same results? No. Let's take example. When you learn cooking from YouTube and when you repeat the process at your home, do you get the same result? Rarely or no, right? So yes, it is a science because we have to be very creative every time and things are not same. Yes, it is a repeatable process, though it is a science, but it is an art at the same point, isn't it? Let me ask you a question. When customer gives an objection, so do we have some predefined answers to give? Yes. So that means it's a science because we have the certain process to do after a particular reaction or the action. But on the same point, can we give the same answer to every client? No. We have to be creative, we have to be judgmental, and we have to understand that at what level the client is and what is the information need to be passed, isn't it? So in my opinion, I say sales is science and art both, right? And I would like to hear from you. Please comment your views and let's join together.